pour, pour. Catch, catch. Let, let. Wish, wish. Surprised, surprised. Fall, fall. Shout, shout. Calm, calm. Swim away, swim away. Grant a wish, grant a wish. Rich, rich. Dark, dark. Land, land. Stormy, stormy. Cloud, cloud. Sky, sky. Turn, turn.
Alexander Pushkin, 6th of June 1799 to 10th of February 1837, was a Russian poet, novelist and playwright. His most famous works are the novel Eugene Onegin and the play Boris Godunov. Pushkin wrote The Fisherman and the Fish in 1833. It is a fairy tale in verse.
An old fisherman and his wife lived in a small house near the sea. They were very poor. One day, the fisherman caught a golden fish. "Please let me go," said the fish, "and you can have anything you wish." The fisherman was very surprised. The fish could speak. "Dear little fish," said the old man, "I don't want anything." He let the fish go and walked home. He told his wife about the fish. "You fool," she shouted. "We need a new bucket. Go back and ask for a bucket." So the fisherman went back to the sea. It was calm. He called the golden fish and it swam up to him. "What do you want, good man?" it asked. "My wife wants a new bucket," said the fisherman. "You can have your wish. Go home now," said the fish and swam away. The fisherman went home and saw a new bucket. But his wife was still angry. She wanted a new house. So the fisherman went back to the sea and called the golden fish again. This time the sea was not so calm. The fish granted his wish and the fisherman went back home. He saw a beautiful new house, but his wife was still angry. She wanted to be rich with a huge house. So the fisherman went back to find the fish. The sea was dark now, and the sky was grey. The fish granted her wish, but still she wasn't happy. She wanted to be a queen, with a palace and servants, so she sent her husband back to find the fish. The fish granted her wish, but still she wasn't happy. She wanted to be the queen of the land and sea, with the golden fish as her servant. The fisherman went back to the sea and called the golden fish. The sea was stormy, and there were clouds in the sky. "I'm sorry, dear fish," he cried. "Now my wife wants to be queen of the land and sea, and she wants you to be her servant." The fish didn't answer. It turned and swam away. The fisherman went home. He couldn't see the palace or the servants. All he could see was his small house and his wife. She was poor again, and in front of her was the old bucket.